My husband accidentally stood in dog poo and brought it through the house, and so what I did was got some bicarb soda, or baking soda as you might know it, and sprinkled it all over and let it sit. And I actually, as you'll see, that actually really dried it up and gave it like a dry shampoo, and drew out some of the contaminants that I could not see on in these types of carpets, because of course I bought these carpets with the intention of hiding dirt. Anyway, so I gave it like this dry shampoo. By using the bicarb soda or the baking soda, it's like a mild disinfectant. It's also like a mild antifungal. I didn't want to hand wash these mats because it's been really raining a lot, and I didn't want them to get moldy in any way or take too long in drying them out. So this was the best option I could use. I've of course got lots of good quality vacuum cleaners, and so I used my Mealy, gave it a really thorough vacuum, and you can see this is really well sped up, like by about 10 times. I went over and over and over this. I didn't just do it quickly. This job worked up a sweat. So just keep going over it in different directions, because you want to get out of much of that bicarb soda as possible. So in my storage room I have this really old heavy Dyson with the power head, so I decided to drag that out and also give it a really good clean. I mean, these carpets, these rugs belong in our hallway upstairs, so they were due for a really good clean anyway. So if your vacuum cleaner isn't great, keep going over them and then flip them over and actually vacuum the underside as well. You want to get as much of that bicarb up as possible. So here they are, back in place, looking lovely and brilliant and clean again. Thank you for watching.